On Mount Penanggungan lives an owl. He is strong, smart, so kind, so useful, and always. His name is Kiai Gede Penanggungan. He don't have relation with Harry Potter. Expelliarmus, a father Kedavra. He don't have relation with Harry Potter. But he is a person who has magic and supernatural power. Kiai Gede also has a beautiful daughter. Her name is Dewi Walanganyu. Even though she is very beautiful, she is not married yet. Single. Jomblo. Like you and me too. That's why Kiai Gede always prays for his daughter. Oh my God. I know I cannot always decide my doctor every time. Help me, God. Send me someone to guard her. Please. Kiai Gede always prays every time he can. Night and day, morning and afternoon, 5 times in a day. Kiai Gede always prays and believes. Until finally, God answered his prayer. A handsome young man come to his place. Now live an old man, but he is strong, smart, kind, so useful, and always so. His name is Kiai Gede. No, he don't have relation with Harry Potter. Expelliarmus, a funny character. He don't have relation with Harry Potter. He is a person who has magic and supernatural power. Kiai Gede also has a beautiful daughter, like princess. Her name is Dewi Walang. Even though she is very beautiful, she is not very that's why Kiai always prays for his daughter. He always prays every time, day and night, morning and afternoon, every time he can, 5 times in a day. He always prays and until finally, God answered his prayer. And in the same time, many stones fall from the sky like rain. What happened with Dewi and Jaka? Do you think they will dead? Oh, we don't know. But in the night, many people come to Jaka field because they hear about thunderstorm. Do you think we will see Jaka and Dewi dead? Jaka becomes stone? No. We don't meet with Jaka or Dewi, but a big temple stand in the middle of the rice. In the field, a big temple. Where is Jaka and Dewi? We don't know. What happened with Jaka and Dewi? We don't know. Just not. But until now, people call this temple Candi Pari. Candi is temple and Pari is rice seed. Candi Pari is temple in the middle of rice seed. The story is end. Do you know what is the message from my story? In our life will stay to you. The message is all of we must always obedient to our such person, we must work hard and never give up. Always pray and believe. However, our condition, be kind and don't be conceited. Thank you very much for hearing my story. And bye bye. Keep simple, stay humble.